Today takes us to 1911 Pebble Beach Circle in Brookings. If you've been looking for a home that gives you a fantastic location, a quiet cul-de-sac setting, and room to make it your own, this one might deserve a closer look. But before we head inside, let me show you part of why Brookings is such a great place to call home. Location matters, and this one checks the box in a big way. Being tucked here on Pebble Beach Circle puts you in a peaceful residential setting with less through traffic, which is always a win. But what I really love, what surrounds you. Just around the corner, you've got Moriarty Park, a great neighborhood park with sidewalk trails, playground space, basketball courts, and open green space. If you enjoy being outside, biking, evening strolls, or burning off some energy, this is a pretty great setup. And if you're a golf fan, the name Pebble Beach kind of gives you a hint, right? You're minutes from Edgebrook Golf Course, one of Brookings' favorite public golf spots. Not a golfer? No problem. You're also close to Larson Park with disc golf, trails, playgrounds, and even more outdoor recreation. And if nature is more your speed, Dakota Nature Park is nearby too, giving you beautiful trails, wildlife views, kayaking opportunities, and the peaceful get away without actually leaving town feeling. That's one of the best things about Brookings. You get more welcoming community feel, but still have the conveniences you actually use every week. Shopping, restaurants, schools, South Dakota State University, community events, bike trails, it's all within easy reach. Brookings does a really nice job blending neighborhood comfort with active lifestyle options, and this is the perfect area for that. All right, let's step inside. This ranch-style home was built in 2002 and has been lovingly cared for by its original owner. Right away, you'll notice the vaulted ceilings and open concept design that connects to living room, dining area, and kitchen, creating a layout that feels welcoming and functional. The kitchen features a center island with electricity, giving you extra prep space, serving space, or maybe the unofficial snack headquarters. You've got all 3 bedrooms on the main level, plus main floor laundry, which is always a nice bonus. The primary suite includes a jetted tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day. And here's something buyers are going to love. The lower level is unfinished, ready for your ideas. Additional bedrooms, family room, home gym, movie theater, instant equity opportunity? Yup. Finding a home is one thing. Finding a home in a location where you can actually love the lifestyle around you, that's the difference. Cul-de-sac, parks nearby, golf course close by, trails, recreation, and everything Brookings has to offer. If you'd like more details, photos, or the full 3D tour of 1911 Pebble Beach Circle, make sure to click that link. And if you've been waiting for a Brookings home with a fantastic location and room to build equity, this might be your sign. We'll see you soon.